Hi, I'm Sol from fynk, and I'm here to show you how the app works so then you can learn to use it by yourself. Let's begin with a simple situation. You just received a contract, be it from a supplier, a client, or maybe HR, and you don't really have time or the will to read through the entire legal text. You just want to know what matters and what doesn't. You want to find out the key dates, if there are any risks that apply, and that's exactly what fynk will do for you. Let's go into the app and I'll show you. So, when you log into fynk, you land on your dashboard. This is some sort of control center for you and your company. Here you have all the documents, deadlines, and activity all in one place. Okay, now let's upload the first document. We go to the plus sign and we choose Upload Signed Document. And you choose from your files. With this example, we're going to work on this rental agreement. And on this step, you can already assign themes and tags to your document. I highly recommend not skipping this step because these tags are the ones that are going to help you organize all your documents in the document list later on. Here, you make sure that the theme that is related to this document has access to it, but also that it's easier to find it with the special tags that I have created previously. Then we're going to go to Import Without Signing. And now the magic begins. fynk analyzes your document automatically. You can see here how it's loading, and after a couple of seconds, ta-da, it's ready. Forget about reviewing manually or copy-pasting into spreadsheets. Within seconds, all the key information has been extracted for you. And it's here for you to check and, if everything's up to your standards, to confirm the results. You forgot to check something? Don't worry. You can access all this metadata, that's what this information is called, directly from the document. The term metadata can be a bit intimidating. It sounds a bit technical, doesn't it? But you don't have to worry. It is much simpler than it sounds, and it's very useful when you have multiple documents. It is what turns your contracts into live documents that help your workflows become way more efficient. Now, let's go to the document list. Here, you will visualize your entire repository of documents in fynk. As you can see, you can also upload your files from here or just by dragging and dropping them onto the list. The list naturally includes all the important data that you need to know from each document. What teams it belongs to, who's the user that uploaded it, any tags that you have created for it, and what stage they're in. As you can see, here there's an expired document, and fynk already flagged it for us. You can also use filters if you want to see certain things. Here, this NDA has been singled out because, like we just saw, it was expired. You can also use the AI search if you have a specific query for the list of documents. Like, I don't know, for example, show me all HR contracts with the name Müller in them. And there you have it. This one includes the name Müller on it, so it showed it to me. Okay, and now we go back to the dashboard. And here you will find all the key information from all your contracts together. Are there any contracts expiring soon? What are the values of your contracts? How many documents there are per team? And any key dates coming up, like this one. In November, the rental agreement in English has its cancellation notice date. Okay, that's all for now. The next step is going to be templates, so you don't have to draft contracts from scratch ever again. But first, I would like for you to give it a go. Try uploading a document to fynk and let me know how it goes. If you're ready, then let's go to the next video.